In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Shopify store. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the Shopify admin for the store you want to remove, and that you are using an account with the right permissions. If you are on a staff account without full access, you may not see the options needed to deactivate. It also helps to double-check that you are working in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one, because these changes can be difficult to undo. Once you are in your Shopify admin, go to the area labeled User. This is where Shopify lists the accounts that can access the store. Take a moment to scan the list so you select the correct profile. This is important because removing or suspending the wrong user could block the wrong person from access, and it may slow you down while you fix it. Next, click the user you want to manage. When you open the user details, you should see options at the top of the page. Look for the choice that says Remove or Suspended. This section controls whether that user can continue accessing the store. If your goal is to proceed toward deleting or shutting down the store, you will typically handle user access first, so there are no surprises later. Choose the Remove or Suspended option at the top. Move carefully here and read what you see on screen. Removal usually deletes that user's access entirely, while suspension typically keeps the account information but blocks sign-in. Either way, you are changing access to the store, so make sure you are applying the correct action for your situation. After you select Remove or Suspended, continue to the option that says Deactivate Now. This is the final confirmation step. When you click Deactivate Now, Shopify will begin deactivation immediately. Make sure you have saved anything you need before you confirm, such as store information you may want later. Once you are ready, select Deactivate Now to complete the process. And that is all there is to it.